What's up guys, in this video we will be checking out the market condition and the market sentiments, like the investor sentiments. Are they fearing, are they greeting, or whatnot? Okay, but first, you gotta go ahead and check out my channel first. This is the NFT Tigers. I upload cryptocurrency video daily, and they are actually very helpful for you to get to know the project better. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so a few years, guys. Bitcoin started with nothing, like 0.001 or something like that. And it's very volatile. You gotta, spend your money wisely and spend only money you can afford and to lose, alright? So you could check point market cap for all the other Bitcoin, all other cryptocurrency tokens out there. Okay, and then one thing that I would also like to show you guys is BingX. Now, a few short years ago, BingX was a rising name with big ambitions. Now today, it has become one of the most influential players in the global digital asset space. So since its launch in 2018, the platform has already expanded into an integrated ecosystem. And I mean fully integrated ecosystem that is offering that AI-enhanced tools, the derivatives, the spot trading, and the copy trading, which also attract the traders at any entry level. You can see that here. You have the copy trading, okay? You have copy trading, you have AI copy trading, you even have the leaderboard right there that you could check out. And you want to explore every part of this trading platform, guys, because if you are not into trading and you're just holding your assets in your spot wallet, you might as well want to consider checking out stuff, right? Now, at the heart of this transformation is the BingX, and it is the foundation of its all-in AI mission. Now, you also could go ahead and check out all of those here in their website, because if they have new features, if they have new tokens or anything like that, you will definitely see that in here somewhere. Okay? I would like to show you is one of the best features that I found. Comparing it to the other exchanges, BingX has actually wowed me with this one. So here, if I have the copy trading up here, hey, if I click on that one, of course, you already know what the copy trading is, but let me show you that. Okay, so you can actually copy the trades of the top traders here in BingX, and that is actually one of the really neat things that I would strongly recommend that beginners, explore. That way, they would be able to, copy the trades of the experts. Of course, make sure that you are, always studying the technical analysis and you know what you're looking for, okay? Now, the next one that I would like to show you is the AI copy trading, guys. In this dawn of the new technology, gotta take advantage of artificial intelligence. Okay, so you have the ChatGPT, you have Gemini, you have DeepSeek, Qwen, Claude, Grok. They are all here. Okay, and you could even get the description of what this is about if you click on the description right there. So BingX is the first exchange to leverage advanced AI models like DeepSeek, Qwen, Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, and Grok for live market trading. Okay, so make sure, guys, to check this one out, because again, this is a very powerful feature that would help you. The company's motto, guys, beyond the alpha, it's representing its desire to transcend expectations and shape the future of trading alongside its community, global community, guys. Okay, it's not just a single country, it is worldwide, right? Now, the company's growth rests on 4 major pillars. A pioneering innovation in derivatives and spot markets. They have supporting for over 170 public chains, a strong security shield, and a very rich ecosystem of education VIP benefits, and that constant support that you will get like right here. See? If you click on that one, you will be able to access their support. Okay, now with over 40 million users and the sustained 100% annual growth, BingX is showcasing what true leadership looks like in the age of AI forward crypto trading. So you gotta go ahead and check them out, guys. Follow all their social media platforms. Make sure that you are updated. All right? And again, guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to consider subscribing. That way you will always be updated when we have new projects in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.